Well, we've come to visit the production facility of CCG, who are the Council's new strategic partner for delivering affordable housing and new council houses in Perth and Kinross. It's been really good to see the technology. Their 130,000 square foot production facility, meet some of the staff and the people here and hear about the projects that they've got going elsewhere in Scotland.
The manufacturing process delivers three essential benefits. There are tangible quality benefits where the precision and accuracy, tolerances that you obtain in a factory environment ensure that the quality of the product at the end of the day is as good as it can be, and the efficiency of the product then on site leads to slicker build periods, much faster. Basically the homes built within much shorter periods than perhaps would have been traditionally expected, and these are homes of much higher quality and efficiency.
The benefits are in the speed and certainty of production. There's huge design benefits and I think the integrity of the construction and the manufacturing processes are the big benefits that will lead to savings in costs, but also in time when we're building on site. It's been great. It's been really, really good. I've enjoyed it thoroughly. So.